to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look with my hair and my face, please stay tuned. Make sure you keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and get ready with me. Peace. Okay guys, so right here I'm just trimming up my eyebrows because I needed to start there first. And then I am going to do my eyebrows. I got this little thing from this place called Cosmetic Market that was in the mall. Don't even know if it exists anywhere else, but I'm just using this other little brush that my best friend got me. Pretty sure it's like a little cheap packet from like Walmart or something, but it does the job because I refuse to pay extra money. And as you can see, I am now adding my Fenty foundation. I use the color 430 since it's winter time, and pretty much lighter than I typically am during the summer. So just using my foundation brush to put that everywhere on my face. I really should have did my foundation first before I did my eyebrows, but hey, gotta make it work. End result should be cute. So let's see. Okay, so now I am using my LA Girl to conceal my eyebrows. Just shape them up a bit because they looked a hot mess, y'all. I am not good at doing eyebrows. I need to just watch some more YouTube videos on how to do it, but I did what I could. I tried my best. They're supposed to be, you know, sisters, not twins, but they was looking like cousins, y'all. Like, it was terrible, but I'm just concealing it. I think the color is Tofee, if I'm not mistaken. I pretty much use that color whenever I have foundation on up under there, just to brighten it up a bit. Here I am, just filling in my eyebrows a bit, because like I said, I messed up, but it is what it is. My hair is probably going to cover my eyebrows later anyway. But yeah, y'all, if y'all know some good eyebrow tutorials, just leave them in the comments, because and I tried to move over so y'all can see me more, but as you can see, I blended all the concealer in, did what I had to do. I was so happy, y'all. Like, that was a task in itself. So right here, I am just adding my little eyeliner. I get that from my local beauty supply. I think it was only like $1. Didn't cost too much. So just adding that on top of my eye and below my eyes on my little lash line so that I can add my eyelashes shortly. Then next I'm going to use my mascara. I think it was by NYX or NYX or Knick-Knack. That's what it was. It was by Knick-Knack. And then here I'm using my Fenty Hustler Baby. What's it called? Y'all know what I'm talking about. The highlight. Hustler Baby highlight. Just blending that a bit on my cheekbones and my nose just a bit. And then next here I got my concealer in my Fenty Matchsticks in Espresso. I put that, like, you know, below my cheekbones and on my forehead. Y'all, I was trying something. If this is completely wrong, don't judge me. I'm new with this, okay? At least I look cute, you know. I still be pulling, so that's all that matters. I play too much. But yeah, so I'm just blending that in on my face right now. I had to go back in with my foundation brush. Y'all looking a fool. So now I am taking down my hair. I ended up doing a braid out, and it was actually inspired by one of these girls that I went to school with. Her name is Romani, and I was like, maybe I can do a braid out. I never thought about like blowing my hair out because I never blow dry my hair. So what I did was I washed, conditioned, and blow dried my hair after them braids because my scalp was screaming, especially my edges. Like, I don't know, just one side, they just did not agree. So, but as you can see, I'm almost done. It was a task in itself, and I had to use a little rat tail comb to get it together because it was just terrible, y'all. But this is the finished look. I am just, you know, stretching it out a little bit, separating those braids. This is my first time for real, like, being okay with the braid out. So I am so happy, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, I don't understand. But I think I'm pretty cute, y'all. But thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Be great. Peace. Okay, y'all, I was thirsty. So I forgot to include me putting on my lip liner, so I just added some little lip liner that I had. It's a little brown color because this lipstick I got from the beauty supply, it just doesn't look right without any liner. So I just added that liner, and that definitely completes my look finally. So y'all be great. Peace.